Welcome back. In this section, we are going to discuss about a scenario based question. How to get a below output format in Apache Pig. And we will perform a live demonstration of this code. So we have a file which has 4 lines and we can consider as a 3 columns if we separate it by comma. But the challenge here is we need to get an output which has been shown to you on the screen. So from input column files, we need to eliminate all the characters which are appearing before a full stop or a dot. For example, line 1 AAA dot AYL comma data. So we need to eliminate AAA dot from the first line. Same BBB dot from the second line and CCC dot from third line and QA from fourth line. So for that we will use Unicode escape sequence for the dot instead, that is slash U002E. However, this must also be slash escaped and put into string quoted single quoted string. So now let's move to the solution point of view. So the solution has been shown to you on the screen. We will perform the live demonstration of it. So let's get started. So we are into Pig local environment. So the first step is to load a file, and the file will be loaded using Pig storage, and it will have 3 columns A1, A2 and A3, which are of type char array. I expect you to have knowledge about Pig, so in order to understand this code very easily. So the first step we will be writing load file. So the file is already available example1.txt in this location, home data engineer / files. So here you can see this is the same data which I have showed you in the slide. So here we want to eliminate AAA dot BBB dot CCCC dot QA dot. So let's load the file. So we will load the data using Pig storage. So now the second step is to create a new variable B for each A, that is the above statement, generate flatten split string for array for column A1. We are using the Unicode, that is U002E as A1 char array comma A1 of 1 dot char array. So I will show you what we are doing here. We will be splitting the column by, instead of dot we will be replacing comma over here. So that is the function of split string split by using for each A generate flatten. So let's execute the code. So if I write dump B, you will see the full stop has been replaced or the dot has been replaced by comma. So here you can see AA dot comma. So here AA full stop. Here we have replaced AA full stop by comma. That is the main function which we performed in the above step. Now let's fetch only A1 of 1, that is this column, and this A2 and A3, the 3 columns. So let's perform the next statement. For each B, that is the variable b which has been generated in the above step, and we will be getting the desired result. So here you can see this is the desired result, kyl data kkk data. So here you can see from main file aa dot has been removed, bbb dot has been removed. So this is how we will fulfill this request. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.